Hi, Charlie. Look at your toy. Look how awesome that is. Do you like it? Is it good? Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. What do you think, pretty girl? Is that a good birthday present? Yeah? Hi. Is it good? Hi, Connor. Oh! Get it, Charlie, get it! Beat it up! Oh! Get it! Pretty girl. Good girl. Oh, yeah, you got a scratch? Oh. Oh. You gonna hit it again, Charlie? You talking to Connor? Yeah. Charlie, can you blow us a kiss? Can you say thank you? Say thank you. You gonna say thank you? Say thank you, Crystal's Bird Toys. You gonna blow her a kiss? Go. Say love it. It's so cute. Yeah, even Connor thinks so. He's trying to get it, huh, Charlie? I know, little buddy. You like it too? I know. Exactly. So exciting. You want to come here, Charlie? Oh, we can get the bottom. I know, Connor. That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty excited too. I'm glad you're excited. Yeah, I know. Charlie's pretty excited. Right, Charlie? Pretty girl. Oh. I know, Connor. Whoa! Whoa! Go, Charlie! Go, Charlie! Go, Charlie! Yeah! There we go. Pretty girl. Can you say pretty girl? You know what I say? Oh, thank you. Okay. You're welcome. You have such good manners, Charlie. Yeah. Ooh, Fluffy Bird. Fluffy Bird. Hi, Sealy. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing, love? Hi. Have a kiss. Oh, you scratch? Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Charlie, what's Connor doing in my head? What's he doing on my hair? I know. What's up with that? What's the birdie's doing on the head? I don't know. That's silly, huh? You gonna beat it up? Get it! Get it! Get it! Ooh! Ooh! I know. Ooh, I know, pretty girl. Thank you. I love you. Ooh, Fluffy Bird. Ooh. Yeah. What do you think, Connor? You wanna come on here, Connor? No? You gonna be scaredy bird? Okay. What are you doing, little buddy? No? Okay. What are you doing, Charlie? Hi. Oh, is that good? Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Blow a kiss to everyone. Go. Say see you later. Okay. Oh, pretty girl.